Go on. God. I'll make it sound.
What them a gonna do ya now? NEWLINK on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. So now, you know what's that video you sent to me? And the person who said it's a NEWLINK, more you talk about this thing. Alright. I can't say exactly which date or when this occurred, but basically as I can hear in the background, it really do sound like Jamaica, my people. See? I can't tell if it's an illegal piece she have or it's a licensed piece or whatever piece she have, my people. But what I have to say is that the way how she angle herself and the way how she do herself and thing, you think it necessary for video these things and put it out there? Would they want to get fame or they want to get some highlight? Honestly, yo, just stop making yourself look stupid. That's all I can say. I now go forward and say, no. She basically, you understand, is a gunwoman, is a lamp pile. You know what I mean? She's a killer. She's a this, she's a that, my people. I can't forward and say that. But the way how she illustrate herself and the way how she beat this thing, my people. Honestly, I can't say, boy, I don't trust her. No joke about it. But when I look at another thing and you can say, Zine, I would say police forward because it's not the first time. We have seen these things happen before and the police will go forward and they will say, look here, this person is wanted for questioning pertaining to a video that went viral and has been circulating. Because if you go on most social media sites, you find this video. See? So when the police say, boom, they want her for questioning, you can't blame the police or people because they are the one who put themselves in this situation. You understand? They are the one. Why if you doing these things for do I get fame or get highlight or something and then video it and put it out there? Me understand sometimes I send the video it and send it to a friend and a friend put it out there or the phone last. So sometimes I be a liar and I want to see a man put it out there. You understand? It just don't make no sense. So anybody who thinks say they want to follow these footsteps of this person, squeezing up trigger and I put it out there so they want to go viral and this thing there. If you want to make video for go range. Go range so you can do them something and be. You know what I mean? Go range. You understand? And she can't clap it too, you know. She clap it, man. You mean she can't clap it? She can't clap it. She clap it, but man, the people, we are living in a crazy world, and I would say with some crazy people. And only Jah sees and he knows. Jah sees, Jah knows. Big up to the same people. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. Remember to do share, do comment, and do subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. NEWLINK Production Official. One team, one dream, one scheme. Peace out. Blessings. Big up.